In this video, we'll be covering the solutions for worksheet 2. We're simplifying expressions and using multiplication and division. Let's go ahead and I'll zoom in a little bit here so we can see what we're doing. And question 1, fairly straightforward. We've got 4x multiplied by 2x. So we look at the numbers first. So 4 multiplied by 2, that's 8. And the x multiplied by the x will give me x squared. Question 2, similar sort of question. The 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6. The y multiplied by the y is y squared. Question 3. We've got the 4 multiplied by the 2, which is 8. And 8 multiplied by 3 is 24. We've then got the x terms. We've got the x here and the x here, which is x squared. And we've got the y and the y, which is y squared. Question 4, got the 2 multiplied by the 3, which is 6. 6 fours, 24, and 24 multiplied by 2 is 48. Going through alphabetically, we've got the a squared and the a, which is a cubed. And we've got the b multiplied by the b, which is b squared. Question 5. 12 multiplied by the 5 is 60. We've got the r and the r here, which is r squared, and then the s term there, so s. Question 6, some division here, so we can cancel some terms. We can cancel the a with one of the a's in the numerator, and that leaves us with a, b. Question 7, let's see what we can cancel. We've got an a here, which can cancel with that a. And we've got a b, which I'll cancel with that one there. That leaves me with the 3 multiplied by the 5 multiplied by the 4. Well, 5 fours are 20, multiplied by 3 is 60. I've got the a here, and I've got the b here. So 60, a, b. Question 8, we got the 6 multiplied by the 3, which is 18. Got a single x there, and we've got a y and a y squared, so that's y cubed. Question 9, got 1, 2, 3, and a d squared, so that's d to the power of 5. Question 10. You notice here we've got the 2 and the 3, which makes 6. That's obviously going to cancel with the 6 in the denominator there. And we've got the e and the e here, which will cancel, just leaving d. Question 11, well, we've got a y in the denominator. That'll cancel with one of the y's in the numerator. That leaves me with y over 2. Question 12, we've got the 2. Now we've got s and s to the power 4, so that's s to the power of 5. We've got t and t to the power 4, so that's t to the power 5. And if you notice, I did that in alphabetical order. Question 13. Let's see what we can cancel here. We've got an x here and an x here. We've got 2 y's in the denominator, and we've got 2 y's in the numerator, so we'll cancel that one and that one. So what I'm left with is the 6 multiplied by the 6, which is 36. I've got the x term here, and I've got the y term here. Question 14. 3 multiplied by the 2 is 6. 6 multiplied by 2 is 12. Going through alphabetically, looking at the a terms, we've got 1 here, and 3 here. So that's a to the power of 5. Going through for the b terms, 2, 3, and 4. b to the power of 4. Question 15. 5 multiplied by the 3, that's 15, and 15 multiplied by the 2, that's 30. And we've got a t and a t, so that's t squared. Question 16. Again, we can cancel here. We can cancel the 3 with that 3. We've got x cubed in the denominator, and we do have 3 x's in the numerator, so these 3 will cancel with these 3, just leaving me with the 2. Looking at the coefficients here, we've got the 2 times the 2, which is 4. And 4 and 8 will actually cancel, so I can cancel these 2's here. And 4 goes into 8 twice. That'll leave me with a 2 in the denominator. I've got a cubed in the denominator and a squared in the numerator, so I know those 2 will cancel and leave me with 1a in the denominator. And this b will cancel with one of these, leaving me with b squared in the numerator and 2a in the denominator. This one here, we know that the 5 and the 2 multiplied make 10, and that will cancel with this 10. The g term will cancel with that g, and the h will cancel with that h, leaving me with 3g. Question 19. Well, the 7 and the 2 is 14. We've got 1 r here and 2 more, so that's r to the power of 3, or r cubed. S, we've got s squared and s, so again s cubed. And t is t squared. Looking at this last question, let's do it in a couple of steps. So the first thing is we'll deal with the numbers. So we've got 2 here, which will cancel with this 2. And we've got that 2 that we can cancel with that 2. And I've got that a here, I can cancel with that a. And let's do that c, which I can cancel with that c. Now before I go any further, I'm going to rewrite this. So I've got 3b multiplied by ab squared c multiplied by abc squared. And that's all over b to the power of 5, and I've got that 2 as well. Let's put the 2 there. Now I can cancel the b terms here. I've got b and a b squared, which is b cubed, and another b is b to the power of 4, which will obviously cancel with the denominator b to the power of 5. So all of these b's will cancel, and 4 of these will cancel, just leave me with the 2b in the denominator. So simplifying this, I've got the 3, I've got an a and another a in the numerator, so that's a squared, and I've got a c cubed, and that's all over 2b.